Hello, in this video we'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the thermostat on Hyundai iX35 2-liter CRDI. The thermostat on this car is located on the front of the engine. I'll show you where it is located. It's located right there underneath this air intake hose right there. This is the thermostat housing. In order to get to it, first it's located right there. In order to get to it, first we need to remove the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. The air filter housing is held by one bolt, which is right there. We need to remove that bolt and then pull out the housing. Now that the air filter housing has been removed, we have access to the thermostat. This is the thermostat housing right there. It's held by three bolts, two of them are visible and one of them is on the back, which is right there where I'm showing with my finger. First we're going to remove the coolant hose, the clamp for the coolant hose, and we're going to pull out the coolant hose. Make sure you put something underneath the car because coolant will start flowing from the coolant hose and the thermostat. Next we're going to remove the three bolts holding the thermostat housing. I'm using a wrench for these two bolts, and I'm going to be using a ratchet with a long extension for the hidden bolt which is on the back. It's much harder to get that bolt, but you'll manage to get it eventually. That's the bolt on the back out, it's right there. Now we're going to remove the two bolts that are easily accessible. Now that the bolts have been removed, we're going to take out the thermostat housing, which is right there. And the thermostat is, you can see the thermostat is right there. We're going to pull out the thermostat. That's the thermostat right there. You can see there is an O-ring on the thermostat. Make sure you put an O-ring on the new thermostat. to make sure it prevents from leaking. This is the old thermostat, and this is the new thermostat that I'm going to be using. This is the part number for it, and the thermostat is right there, and it's the thermostat has an O-ring on it already. So now we're only going to put the thermostat on, and then we're going to put the housing on and put the bolts on and tighten them. Now we're going to put the bolts on and tighten them. Afterwards we're going to put the coolant hose on and put the clamp on, and then we're done with replacing the thermostat for the coolant system. And next we need to bleed the coolant system, and then we're done with replacing the thermostat. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.